Yeah, my phone's cooked.
Yeah. It is absolutely ripping.
Trying to rip into the open here. 2 minutes. 2 minute warning.
Hell yeah.
Next week, Philadelphia.
Destroyed.
Ooh, Bitcoin 81.5. Oh. What's happening there? Yeah, Micron's the best stock in my watch. It's 5.8%. I'm curious on
It's not safe until 83.8. You have to blast through that.
Ooh, PayPal and Shopify go down. Palantir also read. I thought people.
Yeah, I know. All these amazing earnings coming out, and
everybody's pretty good. Bro, PayPal's at 45. And
PayPal. 1 minute. Looks like trying to rip back towards those relative equal highs in the London high. Am I playing to continuation today, or am I playing reversal? What are we doing, market? Apple's looking good right now, going in the top. Microsoft not looking so good. Nike just dropped a rock. Nvidia's back testing at 200, got a nice rejection.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Lego.
And we are open.
Ding, ding, ding. Hey. Open up and pump. Open up and pump.
Yep, open up and pump.
Taken out. We'll see if we just fly and I play continuation, or see if there's a bit of a short setup, little internal move here.
Open up and pamp it.
Pamp it.
NDX. I mean, sorry, NQ over 28 beans.
Big old beans.
Big old beans.
London just got murdered.
Good morning, Spaces Group.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Jason.
SPY is opening up directly where we went short yesterday.
Yeah.
Near this previous day high area near 722. But I'm not going short right out of the gate this morning. We do have jolts at 10 a.m., so it's probably going to be a little bit of a market movement. But
yeah, new home sales as well.
POC moved up here. I gotta be patient.
Maybe get a little chop until 10 since we have data, but not expecting a much chop.
going through your Mag 7s, you just got a little bit of everything going on here. Yeah, Meta selling off. You got Apple popping up. A few others not really doing too much. Apple looks decent. Nvidia dropped. Tesla just hit 400.
RTY was previously high. YM's dropping to new lows. It's opposite. Pop
Yeah.
again.
One stock that was up 2% at the open is up 13% now. POWL.
What's that?
Someone, it's a Howard Grid name. Stock
Okay.
talk was like, you know, I like it, but I'm not buying it. There's something wrong with it. So I bought it. I bought 1 share in December. It's now 3 shares, up 160%. But I just want, but I get notifications for it being up now, and yeah.
That's funny. God. That was a crazy move.
I don't know much else about it.
New highs, both assets. Nothing for me yet. Is Casey looking short?
Nah.
I think it's a little too strong here right now for a short.
A little too strong, a little too early. I don't know if I'd like to be in a position before 10 a.m. I'm not trying to honestly press my luck or rush into things. We had a really good day yesterday. Might look on a few individual names. Still looking at Tesla. I think Tesla could be a very good swing.
Tesla's looking good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm with you there. That was my weekly pick again. I picked it last week and I picked it for this week on stock picks last night. I also picked NVDG, 2x leverage NVIDIA, because, I mean, beautiful dip. On the daily chart, too, into some big, like, previous week lows. So I'm trying that. Get me on the podium again.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, I took second. Emp beat me last week because he faded Evan and he freaking killed it. Evan got last.
That's funny.
Evan got last place. You went short CRWG, Emp went long CRWG, and that broke you and it made his place.
Well, to be fair, what happened? He went first, and I went the opposite of him.
Yeah.
So you know, maybe I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go let him know that I helped him win that.
Yeah, you should. But since neither of you were there, I won. Ha. Crown is mine. Unofficially, slightly officially. Market's pumping. Price discovery mode for NQ at ES. Not quite on price discovery yet. It's got some work to do. Really get there.
Google very strong.
What's that?
Google.
The goose.
Google is ripping.
He's
If he pulled back to tens, I would have at least thought to hit it, but we didn't hit back enough. Underneath 5 minutes.
well. This much of a rip. Be going to that 4-hour gap. I want to see you tested. But that's okay. We'll go do that another time.
Q's 680 and 682. You have some negative gamma building right. God. Apple just got a sticky with the blicky. Meta still dripping. Microsoft just got very soft.
NVDG or NVDX, which one's better? I would probably
The
say
honest truth, whichever one has
shares.
more volume.
Yeah, whichever one has more volume is the complete honest truth. I know leverage shares has like the lower expense ratios, but don't know how much that really matters when you're trading. I would say yeah, whatever's got more volume at the time.
Trying my
That's
stock
the
is
honest
time.
But of course, we love our boys over at leverage shares, so you want to support. Go.
No, they have a bunch of
use
ones
NVDG.
where they have the most volume. My guess is CRWG might be the one with the most. I think that one pops off for them.
Yeah, I know it was UNHG for a while, but I think that ship has sailed.
15-point gain. Stop is just above 40s.
Let's go.
If we can accept back down to 28s, that'd be ideal. 20 points in profit here. And I'm going to take it off into that. Cool.
I will say though,
I'm flat. Sorry, Evan.
no, you're good. MVDG does have enough that I feel comfortable saying you can trade it, but like make sure you're not trading something with like less than 20,000 shares traded a day. It's gonna be rough.
Agreed.
Or whatever your number is. It's probably should be 50,000 or something, but
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's gotta be careful on that.
But this is a great move for my portfolio. What a
Love to
day
hear
with
it.
BM&R and Apple are both moving higher. That feels weird. Well, actually, BM&R fell down a little.
Don't get used to it. Sorry.
I
I'm
know.
sorry.
No, I shouldn't. I think
apologize.
I
shouldn't say that. I'll 5-minute gap out to open up. If we drop down, respect it. I'll try and play a little long out of there for continuation. If we run through that, I'm gonna maybe play a little short to previous day high, basically.
Dude, MU and SanDisk. Holy sh! Well, I mean, all of them too, but
Wow.
I'd be totally fine with that being my only trade.
INTC, absolutely insane.
Flying at.
I am up 400% on my shares.
Let's go. Oh, dude.
That is dumb. You know, a lot of call flow coming in on INTC 104 calls for Friday, as well as MU 617.5 calls for Friday. Names are very strong this morning.
Dude, they're hitting those cheap contracts again, Jordan, that I was telling you about.
for what?
On ES, I'm seeing so many. This started last night. I'm seeing like 170 buys, like 690.50 strike for today.
Wow.
120 contracts, 3 orders back to back to back. 4 orders. That was at 9:37.
That's wild.
Yeah, I don't know what it is,
What the
man.
hell's going on?
It's not really screwing with like the balance. You know what I mean? Like how delta neutral or like the gamma positioning, because
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
it's not a lot, but like it's just really weird that that's a choice somebody's making.
Oh, they're cooking it. Bro, wow, Bender, you look like such a beast in that profile picture, bro. This guy, dude. He's pushing weight.
Oh, let's go.
Pushing weight.
Those big ad
Let's
delts.
see it.
Go big ahead, deal.
He's the closest thing I know to a David Goggins.
Optimal.
All right, market. Give me something to work with here. I'll pull back. Let's set up.
Projected 80s.
SPY and IWM still can not close over this spot right here. They're still rejecting. Q's definitely stronger.
YM is dumping a lot below London low.
Yeah, YM is having a rough time. Can't get legs.
Just waiting some more. It is another QQQ all-time high today, right?
Yes, yes. Not on ES though.
Yeah, ES is weaker. IWM is weaker.
Cruising. All my portfolios gotta be looking good this morning. Adobe's off a cliff, down 2%.
I just got a notification. Palantir down 5.
ASTS down 3 as well, straight down since market open. Circle down 2.5 now, 3% actually, just spiked. Netflix down over 1%. Nike got a jersey candle to the downside. Ondas, Oslo, all underperforming. PayPal down 10% now. S&DK ripping 6.5%. Hello. It's over it's $1,300 stock now.
Wow.
That's stupid.
Service PMI, actual 51, forecast 51.3, previous 51.3. Composite PMI, actual 51.7, forecast 52.1. So, miss on services and composite.
Damn, dude, you made me look at Micron 630 is crazy.
Yeah.
Don't do that. I think it's on the absent.
And now we have 7 services, PMI, Jolts, and new home sales.
We just gonna run straight to 120s. You could have closed your eyes and long to anything and been fine.
Yeah.
And just so positive delta at these highs. There's nothing's like, no one's smacking it. It doesn't even look like anybody's taking it off, just realizing something.
Oh, damn.
My God, night I got an update. I thought that TradeMate locked me out. I was like, no.
Oh boy.
Some random thing I use for music. Just like, hey man, you gotta update me right now.
Still holding. See if they hold on this dip. Yeah.
I'm going to be looking at a call spread today.
Hey.
Just not yet.
The goats.
I want to see if we get to like 1.3%.
Microsoft at previous day low here. A little relative weakness. Amazon is still cruising up, making new high of day.
Yeah, the issue is Microsoft is a big part of IGV, and PLTR is a big part of IGV too. Also, look at Netflix, another part of IGV. All those are down today because of the Palantir earnings hurting IGV.
I didn't deep dive them yet, but the earnings seemed good. You know,
Yeah.
close to stock and forever.
Yeah, everything's good.
Mhm.
Yeah, so
5
IWM,
minute.
And some selling coming in.
IWM is weaker. Whoa! What was that 20-point pop?
New high day on ES. NQ. New highs. Bang.
We talking news there? That was 20 points in one tick.
Don't see anything. Don't think it was news.
I literally saw it from 74 to 94 in one tick. It's crazy. I wouldn't mind myself a pop so I could get that call spread.
Fucking low, dude. Goodness.
Oh, it must be from the spaces because I'm not sniffing in the mic. I'll lower that a little bit.
Goodness gracious, man, we're still just going.
Well, now you got SPY and IWM actually looking stronger there. Not that they were like weak, but they're actually looking stronger there.
I'd love to play continuation, but I just have had nothing.
Crude looks bearish. That's good. We have a put skew on the 0 DTEs on ES and NQ.
Hmm.
We also have the puts view on net drift. Total call premium traded 190 million, not 190 million, 1.9 million, and total put premium traded 1.5 million on NQ.
Okay, getting a little weaker up here. Maybe a dip is needed. A lot of upper wicks. Looking at a 3-minute.
Hello, hello.
Yo, yo. What's good, Alan?
Oh, I love this app.
Yeah, a little glitchy. See if we try and retest. See these gaps. Is the freight train taking a break?
little bit.
Maybe. Looks a little tie-tie.
Actually, deep math on.
Snap it back into this 5-minute now.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning.
There we go, finally.
We got you.
Yeah, took a couple of tries. This app, man, it never disappoints.
Yeah.
How are we looking today? See, it's a beautiful open.
Lying.
Insane.
I haven't done anything. I would love to play continuation on this, but haven't had a decent enough dip to even set up, and no shorts being presented.
Yeah, it's difficult when we're on the highs like this.
Yeah.
We need a good structural move. I think unless you're a breakout player, then you're probably very happy at this point in time.
Yeah. Give me something in Q.
Oh man, I'm like watching like individual orders come in. I shouldn't do that.
I'd like a dip to like 45.
Around there with some speed.
I don't even think none of us are going to get those until maybe later, but
We have like 3 minutes until data.
oh, true. Ooh, that could be the one that does it. Okay, I'm going to have a buy at 45 just in case we get a quick drop.
Goods is selling a bit. Apple and Nvidia are chopping a bit. Microsoft and Meta are trying to bounce. If I do trade again, I'll cut my size. because I had a good short earlier.
They're holding. Yeah, they're gonna push it back up. I'm not trading that yet though. I'll wait till after the data. But then it's probably even new highs again. So.
Yeah.
Nvidia's allergic to 200.
I know. Popped right into that.
Dude, like every single candle on the 5 minutes since market open has gone to 200, and they wick it and close it underneath and just like
Probably
Sandisk.
so much options exposure there.
God, but they pushed it up to 200, and Nvidia's like, ew, no, and then just
I
like
have a question. Some data.
How up are we off the lows on QQQ or NQ, whatever you guys want to look at?
Over 20%, I believe.
To here.
I think it's over 20. Hold on 1 second. I know it's over 17 for sure because that was the last one.
And it's up a percent and a half today.
Yeah, so
Well, over 21.5 on the NQ contracts, 22. But QQQ, I believe, is different.
30 seconds data.
QQQ is 22.5.
22. Yeah, 22 and a half. Yep.
That's pretty sweet.
In a month and a half. Actually, 5 weeks.
I'm flat coming into the data.
I do have long set below just in case we get a little drop.
Get a little jersey.
Yeah. We're probably going to get a Dizzler to the upside. Okay. News is out.
.6 forecast 53.7, previous 54.
Oh, drop it.
Pretty much in line. Jolt's job openings actual 6.9 million, forecast 6.85 million.
Nvidia new low of the day.
No fucking way. That's all we get.
That's what I was like, dude, if can Q's give me a dip to go long?
No fucking way.
SPY just back tested the 5 minute 9, which lined up.
That's what I was looking for NQ to do. We just needed 10 more points.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I almost shorted it off the profile. I kept not getting anything else.
I should have just played SPY. Should have looked at
Right.
SPY.
I'm trying to do Q's just because it has the relative strength. I think it'll pay.
Yeah.
If we start going, trying to stay away from SPY, it might be a little choppier. But yeah, Q's did not give any kind of decent.
What the
Back
fuck? Yeah, we're not getting it. Wow. Wow. Fuck you. Well, there goes the dip buy that I wanted. Missed it by 12 points. I'll go fuck myself.
My God, there's so much positive delta up here too. Like no way. No way you guys got more ammo. They're smacking it. They're smacking it to the outside. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they're whores. Actual whores.
Like, are we just gonna chop below 28,100?
Wow. Look at fucking SanDisk. Ugh.
My gosh, man.
I have shares on Vest too.
Let's go.
That's hot. Holy shit.
I got nothing. If I'm one and done with that short, that is okay, but I'd like another opportunity. Chop, chop, chop.
IWM
Oil's
at
still
highs.
dropping.
Yeah, oil is dropping. You know what's funny is oil. Okay, actually today, actual gasoline prices are dropping, but oil has been flat, and gas prices in that time, like actual gas prices,
hmm
have gone up over 70 cents.
Offensive.
What is MU report?
The prices, they reported like a month ago, so like 2 months.
Okay.
The price of gas near me was like $4.70 a gallon, I think.
Oh, it's 490, like 490 by me now. After this week, it changed.
Dude, what? I think it's like around me, like high fours.
Yeah.
You got a Tesla though, no?
Well, I got gas car. I got gas car.
Everybody in my hometown would kill to see $4.
Yeah, yeah. Well, what? It's probably like 6:30 by you or something.
Yeah, something like that. I don't
Every,
even know 'cause I'm not
everything
there,
is
but
10 times more expensive in California.
it's crazy, bro.
It's actually disgusting. Fuck that place.
Yeah.
I think Jordan just said he hates California.
He does.
There's many places that are better. You'll hear people be like, yeah, like, blah, blah, blah. Everybody talks so much shit about California, but you can't get this view anywhere else. Wrong. So wrong. You can get that view in countless other places, and it's better. Like,
Jordy, I'm gonna send you a view I have in New York soon. Hold on a second, let me get the picture.
that. People are like, but the weather. I'm like, you haven't traveled, bro. Like, you think that California is the only place with good weather.
I just texted you. That's 2 hours from me. I'll send it to you, too, Nuts.
What is it?
The view.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
By the way, SPY and IWM are popping now.
Shocked. Nice expansion move up, but now we're just going sideways.
Oh, she lives in Montauk?
ES is doing
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Montauk's nice. Montauk is nice.
Still kind of chilly, but it's nice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because you're by the water the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
SPY just hit my first target upside if I was long, 723. This is your Friday session intraday high before we had the sell off. Above here, then you have the 624.50 to, or sorry, 724.50 to 724.87 high.
Oh, ES hitting Monday's high.
Yeah. IWM just got a stick.
Yeah, NQ is not moving up here. Now it transferred over to SPY and IWM.
I took some bullshit lotto calls on Shopify. We'll see.
Shopify.
They just had earnings. I don't like trading options on stocks that just had earnings, but one of two things are going to happen. It's either going to go up or down. So
Nothing else.
we'll see. Either premiums will just continue to burn from this, or catch a little intraday reversal after the earnings. So I just got an alert on Rivian saying that it is near $15.
Mm-hmm.
And Rivian is absolutely moving this morning.
NQ is a snoozer right now.
Zeta drops another 30, 40 cents. I'm buying. It's going to break out NQ. But yeah, it's snoozing right now for a second. Oh, here we go. Actually, maybe fucking break out right now. I can't believe they fucked me on that. Gonna give me that dip buy.
Gave us nothing, dude.
Yeah. Nothing is right.
IWM. RTY and YM just bumps.
Yeah.
Yes, and then Q still on the smidge.
Give me something to work with. It'd be no trade day for me. Whoa, Mako, that picture of NYC is crazy looking.
Hey, there's that short on SPY off the level. Look at that.
Oh, she's trying.
Holy shit.
Ooh. Ooh. What's that? Come on, give me another shot. Do it again.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, no, give me another shot. What the fuck? I wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready.
That can't be it. That can't be it. No. No
Keep
fucking
going.
way. No fucking way. Yes. I'm gonna be a buyer at 35.
Okay.
Okay, I'm long.
I was too greedy. I didn't push the button. I wanted a better price. I wanted 30s even. That's okay though.
Yeah, I'm long.
Longest?
Oh, yeah. QQ 680 calls. I'm also long on what's it called? On futures at 835. Is it 835? Am I right? No, that's 28,035. Sorry.
Mhm.
We here to play. We here to play, motherfucker. Come on. I trimmed one there at 57. I have an order at 70, and I have an order at 85, and then I have one left. I had 4 in total.
Huge.
Come on. Keep going. Get him at 70. Get him at 70. Okay, got another one off.
Nice long now.
Dang you. Finally gave us something there. Whoa! What the hell with that?
Ooh. Ooh.
What the?
Man.
I'm all out of everything. Damn. Damn. Where'd you find that?
What the heck happened there?
No spike down.
Yeah. Some of the equities are making new lows too off that.
Interesting. Okay, hold on. What was that? What the hell was that? SanDisk and MU said, fuck that drop. We don't give a shit. Oh, air defense systems are responding to a missile threat. UAE again.
Oh.
That makes sense. Yeah, oil got bounced off that too.
Honestly, it's probably still a buy down here, but who knows? Order field.
The heck? Casey got kicked. Casey, you back? Or did it glitch? It glitched.
Am I back?
Oh yeah, no, you're back. You're back. You're good.
I've been waiting forever.
Forever.
And I can't leave the application on my phone until Jordan brings
Yeah, I
it down.
know. It's so. I don't know why they haven't fixed that yet.
It's been how long? And that's still the thing. Trump is speaking right now. He's signing proclamation, restoring presidential something. I can't read the rest of it because it's blocked. It's doing something. Presidential fitness test. What is that?
With this market tonight, so if it's not slightly profit, targeted.
QCOM 180 calls coming in.
What happened?
Oh, there it is.
Ooh, Apple went out of there.
It's only like a 10-point trade from where I first scales, but
Oh, I thought it would be a possible long, and there it is.
yes, a much better entry. I'm looking for The boys are back now. Boys never left now.
Killer bounce.
You know, there's 30s that R1. That's something, you know.
Ripping.
Yep, new highs.
There's the high.
Breaking out.
Oh my gosh, that was fucking amazing.
Go, Frank.
Makes us like pretty hard. Oil's coming down from here. And never going down again. I just was buying like blindly, like just kept on getting.
I think that I mean that's the plan. It literally is the plan. There's nothing else you could do except buy blindly right now.
I bought them at 50, 60, 80. I think I bought them at 94. I'm all out now, though. Good Lord. You can even buy the Honda Center. One day, hopefully. Big W. It's still not money that you ask for a bit later, possibly. Comes to the restaurant a couple times. He goes a couple times a month. Perfect there. And I'm like, oh.
Absolute ripper. Keep it going. I mean, where else could we go? The only draws you have are on ES, really. Because we're in just price discovery on NQ.
Big trim it. Side there. Stop the brand. Takes it out, I don't know.
ES is coming back in a bit.
We put the points for push-up challenge and
IB is about to form. Should take out the high on the IB data.
Not the trade is I took 10 there and I took 70.
The bot caught that long for freaking 60 points.
Bang.
I took SPY calls, caught the initial bounce, got a trim off.
Is your bot named Frankie?
The Frank bot. It's called Frank the Tank V6.
There you go, baby.
Put a name on it.
I bought that dip. They pushed it up. I got a trim off. They came straight back to entry, stopped me out, and then just went straight to high end day. I was like, oh shit, this is moving quick.
Rip it to the high.
You got some resistance up here on Rivian. You're at that 15. Seeing if potentially can pull back by the dip and get some call, a little bit of time on them down here potentially. I like it where it's kind of holding at so far on your daily.
I got nothing.
This market's just cruising.
Apple is grooving.
Your camera looks good, by the way. Thank you.
Okay.
Holy intel.
Yeah, it's insane over there, huh?
Oh, it's about to hit 110.
Crazy work.
I'm at 412% now. Dude, stop.
Take it to new highs again.
Pop it up.
Or is it time to chill?
The biggest winners on
Ain't no chill when Frank's behind it. Take this thing, go.
I'm small. I'm not short. I can tell you that.
Yeah, 150.
307.5. Exactly.
I'm still in trend at. Should come in a little bit. I'm flat. Be patient.
MU and SanDisk are still going. %. God,
Going.
Apple is squeezing.
isn't it? Oh, it is.
Oh yeah, she is.
Yeah, she is. You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong. Check this pipe.
Damn, sorry.
Damn, shorty, where'd you find that?
Real trap shit. Real trap shit.
Oh, new highs NQ? Is that what it was? Am I right?
Dudley.
Oh, freaking. Yeah, I did a NDX Iron Condor. Sold 28,230 calls, bought 28,280 calls, sold 27,610 puts, and bought 27,560. So I got 400 to the downside, 230 to the upside.
Nice.
We're already up 1.25. Well, it was 1.3%, but about.
Should take out the IB high, both assets.
The apple is still cooking.
Cooking.
Cinco de Mayo.
On a Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
Dude, Apple is not stopping.
Damn, bro. Cooking. I don't know why I just didn't pull the trigger at 135s to short it.
Yeah, Apple is fucking moving.
It fucking flashed it for a second and I didn't press it, and then I didn't get it again.
Oh my god, Apple. Look at this candle. I just saw it like just starting to push over 282 and straight to 283 in the same candle. Put a buy signal on at 1020 when it ripped through previous day high. Oh my god.
Just a ripper. I'm just watching this right now.
Yeah, SPY closed back underneath that level.
All right, I feel like I'm gonna force something if I keep on looking at these charts. I'm one and dunning it.
Oh, there
today
goes Apple. Little dip.
in the
Not
books.
a bad move, brother.
Oh yeah. The other trades I was close to taking, like I read them right, I just didn't get enough confirmation. So
Get you.
all in all, W's on W's, frontal lobe maxing.
Yes, sir.
Put on some jazz and hang out for a few more minutes.
There we go.
Some jazz.
Like it. Hell yeah. Do you guys ever close your trading view and then have to immediately reopen to make sure your DOM is cleared?
Oh yeah.
I've done that before, multiple times.
I do it like every time I close the damn app. Like I know I'm flagged, but I just have to verify.
Also, yeah, Apple is fucking creaming to the upside.
All right, cool. All flat.
Tesla and Nvidia both about to be making new lows of the day. Actually, no, they just did both new lows of the day.
Sandus first 5-minute dip into the 9. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold though. NQ 5-minute dip into the 9. Condor's up 10%. Nothing crazy. Mm-mm-mm.
bouncing at 100s.
Dun, dun, dun.
Coming in a bit.
Dude, we all should have just shorted Nvidia every single time into 200 this morning.
I know, that was a move. Jeez.
Nvidia is freaking drilling to new lows. I have a feeling the price action that we're in for right now, looking from pre-market until now, it's trendy, but the trend is choppy. If you know what I mean.
I get what you're saying.
It's like we'll make higher highs and they'll buy these dips. But playing the price action between those two, it is not going to be clean. Like it's going to be very, very. It's going to be tough. I mentioned this morning it was kind of similar to last week where you have like half of the tech names looking good, then like the other ones looking weak, and then out of nowhere, like they take their turns where one of them starts to run, right?
Yeah.
So like Google this morning ripped, gave it all back. Then you got Nvidia starting to sell, and then you had Microsoft sell off. Now Microsoft's all the way down at the lows, but then Apple is ripping, and now it's like, okay, is Amazon next to go up, or what's in like Meta is still selling off right now? It's just weird price action, I think.
I agree.
It's pretty darn tough.
I think it's going to be like if you can lie and wait and get a good entry, and you play the initial reaction off that little area for a pivot, that's fine. I think trying to continue to hold that position for a long time, I don't think is going to be the kind of trades I want to be looking for today, is to hold on for something too long. I think you'd end up getting stopped out back at break even multiple times if you're trying to wait for decent continuation without getting chopped up first. Somebody come here.
I'm long SanDisk, first 5-minute 9 tap all day.
Let's go.
If this goes up $20, I will be shitting my pants. I will be rich. I will be pilot. Ooh, we hit the 10-minute 9 on NQ. I wasn't watching. Otherwise, I would have logged that. Fook. That was at 74.
What's your retest on your 5-minute 21 for SPY?
Sorry.
IWM, I think looking probably the strongest out of the three.
Zeta. I wanted to get to 17 what? 1750.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll post more option stuff in my profile later. Try to post it daily for free. But I'll catch you guys later.
Sounds good.
Peace out.
Catch you later. Alligator. Chop it up. Chop it up.
Oh yeah. It's a chop time.
Come on, Sanders. Get over 30, 13.75. Stop with the bullshit.
We suck.
Doing shit. Foreign military officers said reopening the strait remains a daunting task.
Meta selling off new lows, hitting previous day low. Yucky.
There we go, Sandisk. There we go. Mm, 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 mm. No, Sandisk, you bitch. You a hoe.
You a hoe.
Wow. No way. That's ridiculous. MU, you can get calls for December at 1,100, and they're still $5,500 to get them.
Wow.
500 points higher. That's crazy. And they're still $5,500. Wow, that's actually pretty wild. Let me check that out. MU. Oh, here goes my SanDisk. Go. Oh my god. No, it's even worse. Wait, what did I say? I say 1,100. No, it's even worse. Those 1,100 calls are 14,000 to buy. What the fuck?
Jeez.
Dude, that's crazy. And that was just done like 10 minutes ago. It's 14. What the fuck? Wait, that must not be the right. Wait, hold the fuck up. December 2026. I'm looking at 2027. Is that right? Oh, I'm looking at 2027. Never mind. I went there. It's 5,500, but still, that's a lot. Jesus. I think a short is going to be coming soon.
Well, we just hit the yellow level again on SPY. After bouncing off the 5-minute 21. Looking for a short. I think it could be back here.
Yeah, I think a short is coming.
I think it's... I'm not sure about options. I think for maybe futures, just scalp it back and forth.
The futs.
But if we're breaking base over this, then 724.50 to 724.87 on SPY. It's a weird, look at the previous 30-minute candle, how it closed on SPY. Because of that freaking news headline.
INTC. Casey, when do you think you're ever going to sell them?
I can't. I'm done selling. Like
What do you mean by that?
I've already closed like majority of the position for what I wanted to see out of this. The rest is just gonna sit there in my long term.
Forever.
Yeah, I mean, like the only thing I can do is, I mean, when it gets to like 500%, I mean, probably start trimming a few there as well. But I mean, at this point, I've already locked in a lot of the gains on that one. It's just last the position's just free to see how long it can go over time.
Ooh.
I mean, I don't know where Intel's going to be in 10, 15 years from now, but if it's above $20, then I'll be happy. All right, SPY. Closing over yellow level. I think the bot just took a long on Qs.
Oh, it did it?
Let's see.
I'm all in.
I saw a notification saying that it was long.
I'm all in.
Yeah, it's long.
It's long.
Dang, I guess I could have bought freaking again on the 5-minute 21, same as earlier. If we take out this high and just cruise up to the next target. Whoa. Trump says doing very well in Iran. Oh, yeah?
Well, yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Are you feeling it now, Mr. Trump? Meta is not having fun. IWM looks good. Microsoft is kind of trying to curl off the low after being yucky. Apple coming in a little bit. Google's flat. Tesla's at the low. NVIDIA trying to bounce off Friday's low.
I took my profits on SanDisk. Probably goes higher,
Nice.
but it's okay. I just want to be smart. SanDisk hurt me before. I want to take my profits. It was only going to be a quick trade anyway. It's not moving how I wanted it to, so it's okay. Well, happy I did. It just dropped like $6. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's on here. It's kind of dark. There we go. Good. Back to previous day high. Which IO and Q right here. Little consolidation, bull flag breakout intraday. He's over 46.3. Let's see how the 15 or 30 minute closes. Rivian back at $15 after the dip. Yay. Qualcomm 183.
Back to highs. She's trying.
Where's my?
Trying to do it.
Trump said Iran lacks air defense and leadership capabilities.
STS still down 4%. PayPal and Palantir still down. Ondas red.
Go, Casey.
Yo, nuts.
For Trade of 8, did you do the one-time payment?
For what?
Um,
What are you talking about, Phyllis?
are you on a live account?
The ones I'm using right now are the Lucid accounts.
Oh. Okay, you know what?
Why? What'd
Never
you
mind.
talk about, Phyllis?
Never mind.
It's equal highs here on NQ after the bot signal long. Are you talking about like Apex? Like their one-time payment things?
No, Trade of 8. It was
just
given.
closed the long and profit right there.
It was given a monthly and a lifetime option, and whichever one you chose, like it was the fees.
What?
That's if you're doing a live account. I was actually opening a live account.
Yeah, I'm doing the same. I'm waiting to hear back from their customer service because I was having an issue getting it set up. I'm actually glad you said that because I haven't checked my email today to see if they messaged me back. They told me it was just a glitch in the system. Use a different browser such as Google Chrome to see if that works. Okay. Dang. They emailed. When did they send me that? Oh, yesterday. Okay.
Now Sandex is probably gonna pop.
Pop it.
I mean, I'm out, but this is probably the time it doesn't now. It looks like it. It looks like it.
There goes IO and Q over that 46.30 for that little bull flag breakout. And there's a decent target right there, daily level hitting 46.54 on IO and Q if you're able to grab it. Quick move, quick move. Now to tell you what, like I'll show it to you one day, but the bot, like it does very well in the overnight sessions.
Yeah, from what you sent, it looks like it makes a couple thousand in the overnights. Like almost.
Yeah, the one issue so far, and we're working on something right now, is the stop losses on for NQ. They're huge. So like and it takes one contract on NQ every time, and the stop losses every single time, no matter what, they're over 100 points every time.
Mm-hmm.
Every time. There is not a single. I swear, there's never a single loss that is less than almost 100 points. But the thing is that like it will win, 5 or 6, trades in a row, anywhere from 20 to 100 points, and then it takes that big loss. But someone said that's massive. Yeah, it's a that's $2,000. But during the night session when volume is low, it probably takes anywhere from like 6 to 10 trades, and it just continues to scalp it back and forth, and stack up anywhere between 20 and 40 points just consistently over and over again, and then you just wake up like a few $1,000s across all accounts. Like I think it performs so much better in the nighttime when volume's low, and it just consistently just adds up these little scalps over and over again for you. Because in the daytime, it'll take a trade, but your stop's gonna be pretty big.
Yeah. Geyser.
IONQ might go make a new high day now.
New high day.
There, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles all in a row.
I didn't even see you had a little long signal this morning too that played out. A couple candles.
It happened whenever the news happened though.
You can still scalp that opening of that candle though.
Yeah. I was
Quick.
long on SPY down there anyways on the previous day high retest at 722. I mean, that was the short spot from yesterday. So we broke above it this morning, went to 723, and then we sold off directly to it. So regardless, buying down there, risk to reward was nice.
What I've noticed with your reversal indicator you've been letting me use is it always works best if you're getting the same trigger on both ES and NQ.
100%.
I almost won't even look that way if it's only triggering on one.
Yep, same.
And then on
I
top
say
of
about
it,
80% of the time, if only one of them gets it and the other one doesn't, I usually don't take the trade.
yeah. And then as for targets, I just did some back testing with it and went back on some charts, and it seems that pretty much every double signal that comes, you at least, after that candle closes and you get the trigger, you will at least go take out, if it's a long, the most recent high in that range. If it's a short, the most recent low in that range. Almost.
Yep.
I came across literally could only count on one single hand how many times that it would still fail on that. And so yeah, I don't know. Just some things I'm noticing. That's really good. If you just pair it with other stuff, pair it with like ES, watch both of them. Weed out all the other signals that aren't as good.
Let me see. I think yesterday it printed one buy signal. It was at 1010. And then NQ was at like 890 something, and it went to 940 for almost 50 points. And then I don't think there's any other signals after that. And then you just had the one today from the news. Let me check the different time frames. The 10-minute went long right out of the gate at 9:30 this morning. And then me and Ed talked about it yesterday. 10-minute in the afternoon at 2:10 Eastern when it was at like 780. Call like 50 points downside. This morning it went long on the 10-minute on NQ at 28,046. So just shy of 100 points so far up here at the top. Let me see. The 15 minutes long up here off the retest and push. It's trying to break this high. Oh, JT's up 415% with me on INTC shares. Let's go.
You.
That's what we love to see. Let's get it to 1,000. What's the chances INTC goes over $200 in the next, like, I don't know, 5 to 10 years?
The move on INTC is crazy.
That's freaking wild. Ooh, sell signal just came in on RTY. It didn't hit it. Hold on, I gotta refresh this indicator. Let me see. It didn't signal on IWM, but it signaled on RTY.
What was it? Sell signal?
Yeah.
Oh, there goes Sandisk. You fucking bitch. I knew it.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, RTY has a 5-minute sell signal. It's weird that IWM doesn't, but it's just because of price and candlestick size. That's why. IONQ, there it goes, new high of day. I still think we go tag 682 on QQQ. That was the target this morning over 680. It got close, but M's got smacked today. Thoughts on ABGO? If you're long, you're long. If not, I think you missed it. Well, yeah, look at DraftKings. Good for you, DraftKings. I've been waiting on this one to see what it does. Going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily sessions in this squeeze. Like, oh my god, freaking.
What
do it
account do you have
already.
for Lucid?
Like what size accounts?
No, like what
Or the
account?
flex?
Yeah. Oh, Flex?
Yeah. I have all account sizes, but they're all flex accounts. I have the 50s, the 100s, and 150s.
And what's the true difference?
Consistency rule.
No,
On
there's no
eval.
consistency on any of them.
Well, on eval, on the
Yeah.
on the pros, you can pass it in 1 day. On the flex, it's half pass.
Direct
Yeah,
is
so-
direct is a no pass, whatever. Fuck.
Just so I personally
straight
just
funding,
do just do the flex accounts. I wouldn't do any of the other ones. The reason on that being, if you look at the funded rules for like the Lucid Pros, they have the intraday trailing, I believe, which I don't
Yeah,
I don't like.
it.
And then they have 60% of the peak end of day balance, and then also you have to meet a 40% consistency rule. I don't really like that as well. Same thing for the Lucid Directs, but your consistency rule is actually half that. It's actually 20%, which is dumb. So the flex evals, the drawdown is just end of day, so you're good. You don't have any of the DLL on there, and then the consistency is 50% only on the eval. And then that consistency goes away the second you get funded, and you can do it in 2 days. So
Okay.
and they're cheaper, they're easy to stack. So personally, I like the end of day drawdown. 50% consistency in 2 days for the eval is easy, and then once it's funded, the consistency goes away. Then that's it.
I gotta say, as much as people don't like it, it was the Lucid Direct, and then I think on Tradify it's the same with their Lightning funded. Like the 20% consistency, I guess it's just the way I trade. Like I don't even run into an issue there, because even on a 50K, that's $600 that max you can make in a day. And I'm usually like max only making about $500-$600 on like each account that I'm trading for that day. So it works out for me, but I get why like people don't want that 20% consistency is short. But think about it, like if you get one 50K account, 20% consistency, you're good. Like, especially, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people worry about it and they're not even making enough money to worry about it. But at the same time, it really depends on your strategy. Like I understand people that want to let trades go. You can't really do that if you're stuck at 20% consistency. So
yeah,
you gotta find what works. But they're just cheap. Like $295, you're instantly funded. 50K, like that's not too bad. Fuck.
No.
On Tradify.
No, not at all. I just don't like the consistency rules only
I get it, yeah.
because like yesterday was a day where I could press it and capitalize
Exactly.
as much as I could in that
it.
price action. Yeah, and if you have that 20% consistency rule, making the money that I did yesterday on some of those accounts would have put me way over that percentage.
And you're using the algo on Lucid?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
my Lucid, I'll do some trades manually. I mean, I can when it's not in a trade, I'll just trade it manually, and then there's random times where I'm not in a trade during the day, and
Yeah.
it'll automatically be executed at the same time as well. There's some times where I see it enter into a trade, like I did it yesterday. We did it yesterday. That reshort on NQ at the exact same price. After the big drop that happened, you got that green candle that came in. We both went short, like the exact same price on NQ. The bot was short on the previous candle, like 30 points lower, because it rolled into another short. And I was like, no, we just had that overextended tick. I'd like to see a bounce. So the second it opened up that short, I instantly closed it. I let NQ bounce up 40 points, and then I entered into the short manually, and then I let it close it and profit when it went down lower. So I'll kind of try to beat the bot at the same time manually, but
Yeah, some good stuff. I know we have the boys over at Autopilot popping up. Who do we have behind the account there?
So, boys, it's Chris, one of the co-founders. Guy behind all the growth.
How we
Good.
doing? Good to see you.
Thank you guys for having us. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. Always a pleasure. Love talking with you guys over at Autopilot. For those that don't know in the audience, Autopilot, they have a ton of portfolios that you guys can actually follow, kind of like an ETF. So we're going to chat a little bit about that and some of the portfolios that have been killing it, because obviously the past few weeks have been insane in the stock market. So excited to see what portfolios are Doing good. I think the last time we talked, Chris, market was still down and things were looking rough. How are things looking now with everything turning around?
I mean, it's been a good last couple of weeks. I think not only for the clients on autopilot, but also the pilots, the ones that are launching their own funds. Specifically in the I don't even know what we want to call it, the AI trade, those kind of like second and third hand layers beyond just the classic NVIDIAs have been really, really ripping. So a portfolio that has been really popular that you guys may have been able to see is this Leopold Oschenberger guy, the ex-OpenAI, who 25-year-old launches on personal hedge fund. He has gotten a lot of attention because at the beginning of the year and last year, he opened a ton of positions into these kind of like second and third layers to the AI trade. SNDK, Intel, he was in really, really early on. And a couple of stocks I've never even heard of until I saw him. And his portfolio has been ripping year to date. I think he is up around 60% since we've been tracking him. So that has been a really, really strong position. And then a lot of the other portfolios that have been kind of in those similar-ish stocks have been ripping as well. Micron has been a big one in people's portfolios. Intel, again, has been a big one. But we'll see. You know, we at Autopilot, we've been doing this for years. And I think everyone on this call, they all know that it's ebbs and flows. You know, when the markets are up, it's fun. When the markets are down, it's the long game. Right now, we're definitely in the up and up, especially in that little sector. But we'll see what happens over the next few months. I'm sure it won't be able to last and be as green as it is right now. But for now, we'll take.
Yeah, some interesting stuff. And just you look at what's been happening with crypto side of things too. I know Gav up here, I don't know how much he can talk, but I know he has his crypto portfolio, which has been, you know, crypto's just kind of been hanging around lagging, not really getting it going. I know Bitcoin's up a little bit today, up to 81.6.
You got me?
Oh, what's up, Gav?
Yeah, crypto's moving back. We're ripping back up a little bit. So that crypto bull portfolio is having a better time than it was when crypto was going down. We also have an AI portfolio on there. And Evan's pinned a few links to the top of the space that we can definitely talk about. I encourage people to go check out. We built several portfolios through our app rallies that are basically following and being directed by AIs. So if you were saying, hey, Claude's my favorite, ChatGPT, Grok, we essentially have built portfolios that are commanded by them. And it's pretty cool. You can actually see them talking about it on a daily basis inside the app. But the ChatGPT one is flying. I think it's actually outperforming that Leo Asher-Brenner guy over the past month. It's up like 60% or something. Last night I looked at it inside there, and you know, maybe there's an update on it today, but it's pretty cool to see AI actually building these portfolios and having a lot of success with them as well. So
yeah, AI so far during the time that they've been up there, we there's 6 models that we ended up doing stuff on. 4 made it onto autopilot. There's a reason the 4 made it on, because we have 4 US models and 2 Chinese ones. The 2 Chinese ones have been underperforming the market. The 4 US ones have been beating the market. The GPT one has been going absolutely crazy. It like Chris was saying there, got into one of those like AI adjacent trades, Nebius and then Credo. It made Credo its largest.
I think we lost Evan.
I'm looking at it right now. I can finish what Evan was saying.
Go for it.
Gav and what they were talking about with regards to the rallies portfolios, they have been absolutely crushing it. The ChatGPT one was up 63% since its launch. Credo, its largest position, actually is up 100% since it entered into that position.